The Togo Agoe Festival is a significant cultural event celebrated by the people of Togo, a small West African country. What is the Togo Agoe Festival specifically about? The Togo Agoe Festival is an annual celebration that takes place in Togo, typically in the month of August. The festival is a showcase of Togolese culture, music, dance, display of food, and traditions. Agoe is a word from the Ewe language which means drum or rhyme. The festival is a celebration of the country's rich cultural heritage and its people's resilience and strength. History of the festival. The Togo Agoe Festival has its roots in the country's pre-colonial past. The festival was originally celebrated by the people of the Ewes, one of the main ethnic groups in Togo, to mark important events such as harvest seasons, births, and weddings. The festival was also used to resolve conflicts, promote unity, and honor the gods. Celebration and activities. The Togo Agoe Festival is a vibrant and colorful celebration that features a range of activities including traditional music and dance. The festival showcases Togo's rich musical heritage with performances by traditional drummers, singers, and dancers. Cultural displays. The festival features cultural displays including traditional clothing, crafts, and artifacts. Food and drink. Traditional Togolese cuisine such as agbeli, kaklo agbeli, ebli, atadi, akplen, granules, and various foods are served during the festival. Traditional games. The festival features traditional games such as wrestling and traditional board games, volleyballs, footballs, and the rest. Significance of the festival. The Togo Agoe Festival is a significant for several reasons. Cultural preservation. The festival helps to preserve Togo's cultural heritage and traditions. Unity and cohesion. The festival promotes unity and cohesion among the people of Togo. Tourism. The festival attracts tourists, which helps to boost Togo's economy. Identity. The festival helps to promote Togolese identity and pride. The Togo Agoe Festival is a vibrant and colorful celebration that showcases Togo's rich cultural heritage. The festival is an important part of Togolese identity and helps to promote unity, cohesion, and cultural preservation. If you ever find yourself in Togo in August, make sure to attend the festival and experience the country's rich cultural traditions firsthand.